Okay, we just put our pizza sauce onto our burrito-sized tortilla. Kind of get that pizza sauce spread from edge to edge, from round to round. I'm doing a thin layer, but you could do a thick layer. I'm gonna just do a little sprinkle of my chopped Italian herbs right on top. So this is optional. I just like the extra little flavor the herbs give. Now I'm gonna come in with my slices of mozzarella cheese. We're gonna take our slices out of the package and we are gonna place our slices right on top of our sauce, just like so. This is gonna be so good, so easy, kind of a healthier version of a pizza. And we're gonna go ahead and grab one more and we're gonna split this so that we can get cheese on the edges, because we do not want any part of our dish to not have cheese. Now we're gonna add our toppings. I'm gonna do pepperoni because pepperoni is my favorite pizza topping. But if you like something else, go for it. I just feel like pepperoni is the best for this little dish we're making, and you will kind of see why. Okay, let's go ahead and spread out our pepperoni here and there, just so that we can get a pepperoni in each bite, just like we did with the cheese. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so delicious, so easy. Kids will love it. Adults love it. Everyone loves it. Okay, I think we need one more pepperoni, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Right here. Beautiful. Okay, and I'm gonna add another tortilla right on top of this, covering it up. And we are gonna do one more layer of everything. So we're gonna do our pizza sauce right on top, just like this. Okay, finish this off with one last tortilla. So we use 3 tortillas total. I'm gonna kind of turn this so that it is more long ways. These are kind of oval tortillas. And now we are going to roll our entire thing together, just like so. Oh my goodness, it's a little crazy, but it's gonna be so delicious. All right, and now we are just going to cut this. All right, and we placed all of our little cuts right into our large muffin tin. Before we pop this in the oven, I'm gonna grab my Parmesan cheese. This is optional, and we are gonna sprinkle our Parmesan cheese right on top to get a little crust on top of our little pizza roll bites. Oh my goodness, look at all of those delicious, beautiful layers. I think this is why pepperoni works the best for this, because it just lays flat and is so flexible.
And it's delicious.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so my oven is set to 350 and these are only gonna be in there for 20 minutes. Oh my, these smell so good. I cannot wait to try them. I have a little platter right here and a bowl that we're gonna fill up with more pizza sauce, just so that those people that love pizza sauce can have a dipping option. Okay, let's go ahead and pop these out. Ooh, look how easy they come out. So easy, so good. They stick together because that cheese is fully melted. I did let them cool a little bit to make, you know, it easier to grab them. But these smell amazing, they look amazing, and I cannot wait to try them.
They're super crispy too, look at that.
Oh my gosh, yes. That tortilla is nice and crispy. Okay, we'll start with the 5. Oh yeah, doesn't that look incredible?
It looks so good.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go for this one. And I don't like the pizza sauce as much, so I'm not gonna dip mine.
Yeah, that's for me. Is it good?
It's so good. So good.